Hey there, science fans, did you know that bananas are berries but strawberries aren't? It sounds crazy, right? Well, buckle up because we're about to dive deep into the fascinating world of fruits and discover some mind-blowing facts that will change the way you think about your favorite snacks. But it's true. Let's dive into the world of berries and find out what's going on. You see, the term berry has a very specific botanical definition. In botanical terms, a berry is a fleshy fruit produced from a single ovary. This means that many fruits we commonly think of as berries, like strawberries and raspberries, don't actually fit the botanical criteria. We all love a good fruit salad. It's a delightful mix of flavors and textures, and it's always a hit at parties and picnics. But have you ever wondered why some fruits are called berries while others aren't? It's all about the science behind their structure and development. But have you ever stopped to think about what makes a berry a berry? The answer lies in the way the fruit develops. True berries, like bananas and grapes, develop from a single ovary and have multiple seeds embedded in the flesh. On the other hand, strawberries develop from a flower with multiple ovaries, which is why they don't qualify as true berries. It's more than just being small and juicy. The structure of the fruit plays a crucial role in its classification. For example, tomatoes and kiwis are also considered true berries because they develop from a single ovary and contain seeds within their fleshy pulp. Isn't that fascinating? Get ready for a berry surprising adventure as we explore the science behind these tasty treats. We'll uncover the secrets of why some fruits are classified as berries and others aren't, and you'll gain a new appreciation for the complexity of nature's design. You'll never look at a banana or a strawberry the same way again. So next time you enjoy a fruit salad or snack on a banana, remember the fascinating science behind these delicious treats. It's a very interesting world out there, and we're just scratching the surface. Stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of nature. To understand this fruity mystery, we need to put on our scientist hats. Let's dive into the world of botany. Botanists, the scientists who study plants, have a specific definition for berries. It's not as simple as you might think. A berry is a fruit that comes from a single flower with one ovary. This ovary is crucial in the formation of the fruit. The ovary is the part of the flower that holds the seeds. When the flower is pollinated, the ovary starts to develop into a fruit. And here's the key: a true berry has its seeds on the inside. Think about a blueberry. It's a perfect example. It's soft and juicy all the way through, with tiny seeds inside. That's a classic berry. But did you know that many fruits we call berries aren't true berries at all? Take strawberries, for instance. They have their seeds on the outside, which means they don't fit the botanical definition of a berry. Raspberries and blackberries are also not true berries. They are aggregate fruits made up of multiple small fruits. Surprisingly, bananas are considered true berries. They develop from a single ovary and have seeds inside, even though we rarely see them. Tomatoes are another example of true berries. They might not be sweet, but they fit the botanical criteria perfectly. Grapes, too, are true berries. They are soft, juicy, and have seeds inside. So next time you're at the market, remember that the term berry has a very specific meaning in the world of botany. It's fascinating how science can change our everyday understanding of fruits. Enjoy your fruit salad and impress your friends with your newfound knowledge about what makes a berry a berry. Now let's talk bananas. They might not look like typical berries, but they fit the scientific definition perfectly. Bananas develop from a single flower with one ovary, and if you cut open a banana, what do you see? Tiny black dots in the center. Those are the seeds. So even though bananas are big and have a peel, they are scientifically classified as berries. Who knew? This is where things get really interesting. Strawberries, despite their name, are not technically berries. I know, it's mind-boggling. Remember how we talked about berries needing to have their seeds on the inside? Well, strawberries have their seeds on the outside. Those tiny yellow specks on the surface of a strawberry are actually the fruit. Each seed is a separate fruit called an achene, and each one contains a tiny seed inside. Section 5, fun facts about bananas, potassium powerhouses. Let's learn more about these fascinating fruits. Bananas are a great source of potassium, which helps our muscles work properly. Did you know that bananas are actually herbs, not trees? They grow from underground stems called rhizomes, and here's a fun fact. There are over 1,000 varieties of bananas around the world. Section 6. Fun facts about strawberries' seeds on the outside. Strawberries are unique and delicious. They are one of the few fruits that wear their seeds on the outside, as we learned earlier. Strawberries are packed with vitamin C, which helps boost our immune system. They are also a good source of antioxidants, which protect our cells from damage. Fun fact, it takes about a month for a strawberry to ripen from flower to fruit. Section 7. Bananas versus strawberries, a fruity face-off. Let's compare these two fruity contenders. Bananas are tropical fruits that grow in bunches. They have a soft, creamy texture and a sweet flavor. Strawberries, on the other hand, are smaller and grow on plants close to the ground. They have a juicy, slightly tart flavor and a delightful aroma. Both bananas and strawberries are delicious and nutritious additions to our diet. Section 8. Growing bananas from jungle to your table. Bananas thrive in warm tropical climates. They grow on tall plants that resemble trees, but they are actually giant herbs. Banana plants produce a bunch of bananas once a year. After harvesting the bananas, the plant is cut down to make way for new growth. The bananas are then washed, packaged, and shipped to stores all over the world. Section 9. Growing strawberries, a berry. Different story. Strawberries prefer cooler climates and grow best in well-drained soil. They are perennials, which means they come back year after year. Strawberry plants produce runners, or stems that grow along the ground and sprout new plants. This is how strawberries spread and multiply. Farmers carefully tend to their strawberry fields, ensuring the plants have enough water and sunlight to produce juicy, flavorful berries. Section 10. Beyond the fruit salad, bananas and strawberries in our world. Bananas and strawberries are not just tasty snacks, they are also important crops that provide livelihoods for millions of people worldwide. Bananas are a staple food in many tropical countries, while strawberries are enjoyed fresh, frozen, and in countless desserts and beverages. These fruits also play a role in culture and tradition. For example, in some cultures, bananas are a symbol of prosperity, while strawberries are associated with love and romance. Section 11, very interesting, wrapping it up. So there you have it. We've taken a fascinating journey through the world of fruits, specifically focusing on bananas and strawberries. We've uncovered the truth about bananas and strawberries, delving into their botanical classifications and surprising facts. Remember, just because a fruit has berry in its name doesn't necessarily mean it's a true berry, according to science. This distinction is based on specific botanical criteria. Bananas, despite their unexpected appearance, are indeed berries. This is due to their development from a single ovary and containing seeds, even if they are tiny and not noticeable. On the other hand, strawberries, with their external seeds, are not considered true berries. They develop from a flower with multiple ovaries, making them an aggregate fruit. Next time you enjoy these fruity treats, take a moment to appreciate the complexity and wonder of nature's design. Impress your friends and family with your newfound knowledge of botany. Share these intriguing facts and spark interesting conversations. Keep asking questions and exploring the world around you. Science is delicious. The more we learn, the more we realize how much there is to discover. Whether it's the classification of fruits or any other topic, curiosity drives us to understand the world better, so keep that curiosity alive. Visit your local farmer's market or grocery store and look at the fruits with a new perspective. Notice the details, the textures, and the variety. Each fruit has its own story, its own journey from farm to table. By understanding these stories, we can appreciate our food even more. So, as we wrap up this chapter, remember that learning doesn't stop here. Every meal is an opportunity to explore and enjoy the wonders of nature. Thank you for joining us on this fruity adventure. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and most importantly, keep enjoying the delicious fruits of your curiosity. See you in the next chapter of our journey through the fascinating world of food and science.